Okay, hello and welcome. We're going to do some anti-gravity today. We're going to basically connect n8n with our MCP server. So if you've got anti-gravity, download it and it will bring you to this page. It'll open up. So where do we go from here? Well, first thing we need to do is go to these three dots up here. So we click in there and you'll see customization and MCP servers. We click on there and we've got all these servers we want to connect to that we can connect to quite freely. I need to connect a lot of these up. I've only not long got into anti-gravity. So we put n8 and you can see we haven't got any servers there. So we need to manage servers. So we've got no servers here. And it says no servers, install, click here to view MCP server store. But what we do need is this file here. We need to get into this here to put our code in to authorize it through n8n. So how do we do that? Well, simple. Simply go over to n8n and authorize it up. Okay, you'll come to your n8n instance and just put, depending what version you're on, I'm on the up-to-date version. Some of you will be on a lesser version, just it'll say MCP server or something like similar. Just click on it, that'll take you to connect to clients. I've got some workflows in there. So you go to connection details and it gives you your access tokens. Now what you do here is simply generate a new token and it'll give you a new access token, and this will fill out and put your API in there. I'm not going to do that. Then you simply copy it and then you go back to anti-gravity, view raw file, put your raw file in there. I'll have to block this out, save it, hit refresh. Once you hit refresh you'll get this page here and that is good to go. So we will go down. If you do get some errors, I had a few errors here when it won't connect because I didn't have the right files, Next.js files in. So I basically highlighted it, what the error was, and just gave it to my anti-gravity and it worked it out, put all the fingers in, then I pressed refresh and bop, it popped up. So there you go, lovely. Okay, right, so how do you activate it on your n8n instance? So you've got your MCP set up, and the way it needs accessing, it needs to be published. And then you've got your three dots and you just enable it. Now you'll see this little sign here, available on MCP, and then you've got to have it published. So if I want to do this one, click on it. Oops, it won't let me because it's not published, so I'd have to publish this first. Probably not the perfect example there. We'll go in here, publish, give it, it's supposed to give it a name. I'm just doing this, I'm going to unpublish it in a minute. Go back out here. As you can see, it's published but not available. So, and now it's available on MCP. Lovely jubbly. Okay, now I'll go back to anti-gravity. Basically opened a window, put the name of the MCP in there. What can you see? It fought for a bit, came up, and it shows you the available ones I've got. I've only got 4 that I've put live. Shows you the ID, the description, and you can just execute it from here and do whatever you want from me. You can go in, have a look and do all the good things like that. So there's a quick video just to show you how you connect your MCP with n8n. Enjoy, have a nice evening.